Today I will be showing you how to add an email in Card. To begin, click on Add an Element. This will open the list of elements you can include in your card. Next, select Icons from the available options. Once the Icons panel opens, look for and choose the email icon. After selecting the email icon, paste or type in the email address that you want viewers to contact. Make sure the email is correct so messages are sent to the right inbox. You can then adjust the appearance of the email icon to match your card's overall design. Resize it, change its position, or modify the style to keep everything visually consistent. And that's how you add an email in Card. Thank you for watching.